and a trimmer, and I'd like to know, how did you like that video clip? I'm going to show you how I took that clip and others from the same package and changed them. So here's the clip with the images swapped out and different text. This is one from the same set of templates. I used it for a product review. Now, the neat thing about this is these templates can be easily edited in PowerPoint. Here are another few templates in the video template package. Watch how I easily changed this new clip. You wouldn't know they were from the same slide. It doesn't have to be all words. What you're going to do is you're going to use pictures, images, charts, white space, and graphs. I did a fun blog post and video on shiny object syndrome and the Great Pumpkin. Here's how I changed one of the slides. This is a logo opener in the same package, and I changed it using the Great Pumpkin theme. The last clip is a video opener and the transformation. If you're interested in the package, click the link below. They do a much more professional job than I really did. And I've got to tell you, these are so easy to edit in PowerPoint, and they provide all the tutorials for you. And here is a subscribe clip from the package, so watch it and please subscribe so you can watch my new videos using these video templates, and click the link below if you'd like to pick up this package. Thanks for watching.